at me.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. Today's video is going to be on the American Bass Neo 6.5s. So just figured I'd give you guys an unboxing and a review. And another reason I wanted to make this video was these Neo, the polarity on them are wrong. The positive and negative is backwards. I haven't tried it on these ones yet that I just got, but I have the 8s and a few other 6.5s, and the positive and negative is wrong. And you could take a 9-volt battery and the cone should move out and it moves in, so you just got to flip your polarity. So I'm going to show you that too, along with a sound test, because these things get stupid loud. They don't take a lot of wattage to get loud because the neodymium magnet. And I got these on Amazon for 41 bucks each, and you can't beat that. Comes with nice grills. But I have my little thing right here, my little tone generator, and it shows you, it makes the speaker pop like a 9-volt battery. So we're gonna do that now. I'm gonna show you guys the polarity is wrong on these. So we'll go to negative, and then positive. And then when I push this button, it'll make the speaker move. Oh, and these are actually in phase. Yep. Well, they must have changed them, because these are actually in phase. I'll show you all my 8s that aren't in phase. So make sure if you guys have some of these, that you check your polarity. Let me grab one of my 8s and I'll show you guys what I was talking about. Here are my American Bass Neo 8s, same thing as the 6.5s. A little dirty and dusty, they've been sitting on the shelf, but I'm gonna do the same thing and I'll show you that the polarity's wrong on these. I made a post on Facebook and a couple other guys tried it too, and theirs were wrong. But these new 6.5s that I got are right, so maybe they changed them. I've had these Neo 8s since they came out. Alright. Yep. See, now this one's going down instead of up. Positive, negative, and it's going down. So then if you switch it around, it'll be in phase. Putting the positive on the negative and the negative on the positive. Now the cone will move out. Yep. So just make sure you guys check your polarity.